Let me start my class.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I am going to give you reading practice. How to must be read. Whenever we will read something, when we are reading, by the reading time we have to understand. जब पढ़ते उसी समय में हमको समझ में आना चाहिए, है ना? Full heart and mind. If involving के साथ आप पढ़ोगे तो आपका सेंटेंस समझ में आएगा, है ना? Whenever you will read, कभी भी आप पढ़ोगे, we have to remember those things. There must be, before reading you have to understand the sentence, then you have to read. पढ़ने से पहले आपको रूल्स ऑफ द रीडिंग को आपको समझना होगी, है ना? We know that about punctuation mark. Okay, there should be full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, comma. All these things we have to remember during the reading time. सेंटेंस पढ़ते पढ़ते अगर इस सारे चिन्ह आ जाते तो आपको रीडिंग में स्टॉप होना चाहिए. If there is a question word, according to the question word you have to read, है ना? If there is what is your name, आपको टिंगलिंग के साथ पढ़ना चाहिए. Then you will be understood. Okay. Take your page number 89. Let me read and make you understand. मैं आपको पढ़ा के दिखाऊं, then you will come one by one to read. Vista Seller. There was a young boy who wrote letters for people who were illiterate. There was full stop, so I have to stop here. He would earn some money. It was insufficient for him. So the boy searched for something. Suddenly, he knew what to do. He would sell something that everyone needed wisdom. Okay. Like that, if we will read, it will be helpful to understand. अगर हम ऐसे पढ़ेंगे तो हमारे लिए समझने के लिए helpful होगा. So, one by one you have to come. First, Rituraj come to read.
Wisdom Seller. There was a young boy who wrote letters for people who were illiterate. He would earn some money. It was insufficient for him.
Okay, insufficient. You have to divide the sentence, है ना? Divide करके पढ़ोगे तो आपको पढ़ने के लिए मुश्किल नहीं होगा. देखो, I am in, SUFFI, sufficient, CEICIENT, insufficient. Okay, read again.
So the boy searched for something. Suddenly he knew what to do.
Okay.
He would sell something that everyone needed wisdom.
Okay, very good. Next, Amjad. After that, you read in the beginning from here. है ना?
In the beginning, the boy felt lucky very little. Some people in curiosity
Came.
and spent 1 rupee or 2 for wisdom.
Okay.
It was not much, but the boy did not lose his courage.
Very good. Next, Shreyansh.
Every day he sang out wisdom for sale in all size, all type, by some for yourself, male or female. All of a sudden, a stupid young man, strolled.
What you will read that one? STROLLED. Strolled.
Through the local market. He had money, but seemed with no wisdom. When he heard the
Heard. HEARD. Heard.
the boy sound, he asked, "How much does your wisdom weigh?"
YOUR. Your. Okay. Next, Shreyansh.
You can't purchase by weight, it's too precious, answered the boy.
Purchase. PURCHASE. Purchase.
Purchase, answered the boy. You can buy one good piece of advice for ₹1. Therefore the man ordered the wisdom of ₹1. The boy got delighted
And
and painted something on the slip and handed it over to the man. The young boy felt proud and returned to his house, showed the slip to his parents.
Okay.
What foolishness is this? Said his mother. What do?
मदर के बाद फुल स्टॉप इज देयर.
Full stop.
देन यू हैव टू स्टे देयर. ओके, स्टॉप करके वापस निकलना. व्हाट?
What does it
डायरेक्ट.
direct?
Attentively.
The man unfolded his wisdom and read never
Stand. S-T-A-N-D.
stand
and
and watch two men
fight. Okay.
You
Hi lady, she looked after
Look, do not look.
she looked after those who had no one to
One.
take
O-N-E.
one to take care of them. She was born in Yugoslavia. She became a nun and joined the Loreto sisters. She entered Kolkata in 1929. She was
T-R-E. Tremendously.
tremendously
Tremendously. Tremendously. You have to do D-O-U-S-L-Y. Tremendously. Tremendously.
tremendously see the poverty and suffering all around since 1948.
Okay. Now, let us take a sip. Next. Stop करो.
Since 1948, she had been serving the poorest of the
Poorest. P-O-O-R. Poor. P-S-T-S. Poorest.
poorest of the poor. In 1952, the Kolkata Corporation allotted her a dormitory. It was known as Nirmal Hirday,
Okay.
a shelter for dying and
Unwanted.
unwanted. She started the Missionary of Charity. She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and the Bharat Ratna in 1980. She had
After full stop, you have to stay here. Full stop के बाद क्या करना है? रुकना. हाँ.
she had inspired people all over the world.
Friendly Jane. About the lesson. Children love to listen Jane's stories from their parents and their relatives. Learn have the friendly Jane come in a children dream. Read the story and enjoy. My father was not what you could say and
P-A-L-L. Paul.
Paul an educated man and I am uncertain if he had studies 20 books in his life, but he was an extraordinary storyteller. He used to knit a bedtime story for me every single night, and the best ones turned
T-U-R-N-E-D.
turned into cereal and went one night after another.
Okay. Next.
Magic powders out of the drink that he catched at night. He said, how I asked, tell me how father dreams my love are very.
After full stop, you have to stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Second, you have to start.
Dream my love are very enigmatic things. You notice they float around in the night air like small clouds seeking for sleeping people. Can you see them? I asked him. Nobody can see them. Father replied. Then how does the big friendly Jane catch them? I asked again. Oh, my father said, that is the interesting matter. You see, as it goes drifting through the night air, it makes a funny whizzing, humming sound. A sound so
Buzzing. Stop.
His sense of hearing is absolutely high. He reaches everywhere and can catch everything.
In the camp, he had a power factory where
Powder. P-O-W-D-E-R. Powder.
factory where he made more than 100 different kinds of magic powder. Sometimes, as he
T-O-L-D. Told.
told his stories, my father would
Food. L इसमें silent रहता है. Food.
stood up and down, waving his arms and moving his fingers up and down. But mostly he would sit close to me on the edge of my bunk and speak
G-U-N-K. Bank.
bank and speak gently.
You have to remember all these things. Okay. You have to use your punctuation mark. What means by punctuation mark? Full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, comma, inverted comma. Everything you should be remembered during the study time. Whenever you will read book. Okay. Writing time also we are using. We have to remember that and we have to read. Again, long words is there. अगर long word है उसको divide करके आपको पढ़ना. Then we will read easily. Okay, next read.
One of them, which must have gone for at least 50 nights,
Comma is there. Then you have to stop little word for a while.
was about a gigantic fellow called the Big Friendly Giant, or BFG. The BFG was 3 times taller than an ordinary man, and his hands were as large as wheelbarrows. He lived in a vast underground cave not far from our filling station, and only came out into the open when it was dark. Inside the cave, he had a powder factory where he made more than 100 different kinds of magic powder. Sometimes, as he told his stories, my father would stride up and down, waving his arms and moving his fingers up and down. But
Okay.